This is a shot called a watermelon shooter. Now, there are many variations of this particular shooter. I'm going to show you one of them here. It has very basic ingredients, simple to make. This is something you could use at your next party. Let's start with a shaker glass filled with ice. Now, the ingredients are Southern Comfort, amaretto, and pineapple juice. That's all. We're going to use 1½ ounce of Southern Comfort. And we'll take our jigger here, and we'll pour 1 ounce on this side and a ½ ounce on this side, completing our jigger pour. And then a ½ ounce of amaretto. Amaretto is an almond-flavored liqueur. You'll probably see in your liquor store something called creme d'almond, which is actually pink or reddish in color, but it will serve the same purpose if you have any of that lying around. And now we're going to add a little pineapple juice. Remember, this is a shot, so let's not go too much on that. Let's give it a good shake. A little love tap there. Freeze it up nicely. And put our shot glass out, and here we go. Watermelon shooter. Now, it's not green or red like a watermelon, but I'm willing to bet it tastes like one. Enjoy.